Hi everyone, my name is Kasmita and today I would like to present a geopolitical issue entitled the geopolitical crisis in the Middle East, the Iran-Israel conflict and its impact on the stability of the Strait of Hormuz. In this presentation, I will explain the background of the conflict, its chronology, the geopolitical analysis, and its impact on the global economy as well as on Indonesia. Now, let's begin with the background of the case. Background of the case, the geopolitical crisis in the Middle East has once again become a major international concern because of the escalating tension between Iran and Israel. The conflict has intensified due to military attacks, retaliatory strikes, and the involvement of armed groups supported by both sides. As a result, security risks across the region have increased significantly. This conflict is especially important because it takes place near the Strait of Hormuz. On case chronology, the tension between Iran and Israel have existed for decades because of political, ideological, and security differences. In recent years, however, the conflict has become more serious through direct military attacks, missile strikes, and confrontation involving proxy groups across the Middle East. As the conflict intensifies, concern about the safety of international shipping routes also increased, especially around the Strait of Hormuz. Many shipping companies and oil tanker operators strengthened their security measures, while some vessels changed their route to avoid potential attacks. The disruption have increased transportation costs, delayed deliveries, and created uncertainty in global oil supplies. Political analysis, this case clearly illustrates the concept of geopolitics because it shows how a country's geographical location and influence international political and economic relations. The Strait of Hormuz is strategically important because it is the main export route for oil from Gulf countries. Major oil production countries such as Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Qatar, and the United Arab Emirates rely on this route to export their energy resources. In addition, global powers such as the United States and several European countries have strategic interest in maintaining the security of this passage. Any disruption in the Strait of Hormuz can increase global oil prices, interrupt international trade, and threaten economic stability. For this reason, the consequences of the conflict extend beyond the countries directly involved and also affect many other nations, including Indonesia. Talks of the geopolitical crisis. First, let's look at the global impacts. The conflict has created uncertainty in global energy markets. Concern about disruption in oil supplies have caused crude oil prices to rise. Higher energy prices in the rise of production and the transportation costs, which contributes to inflation in many countries. Furthermore, geopolitical uncertainty reduces investor confidence, leading to fluctuation in financial markets and slower economic growth. Now, let's discuss of the impact on Indonesia. Although Indonesia is not directly involved in the conflict, the country still imports a significant amount of oil. As global oil prices increase, Indonesia faces higher energy importation costs, which may result in rising fuel prices, more expensive transportation, and higher price for essential goods. This condition can also encourage inflation and place additional pressure on the government budget. In conclusion, the Iran-Israel conflict demonstrates how geographical factors and strongly influence international politics and the global economy. The strategic importance the Strait of Hormuz makes this region essential for global energy security. Any disruption in this area can affect countries around the world through higher oil prices, trade disruption, inflation, and slower economic growth. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope this presentation has provided a better understanding of the geopolitical impacts of the Iran-Israel conflict.